Welcome to Techtastic everyone. This is a mobile version of the video for all students joining the Google Classroom from their mobile phones for the first time. All you have to do is first go to Play Store and download the Classroom app. This will be install button. Just click on install button and the app will get downloaded and installed automatically. Once the app is installed, it will be visible in your apps. Just click on the apps and you will get the get started page. Just click on get started, select the Gmail account that you want to use for this classroom and then click on OK. You'll get a screen like this. Now, can you see the plus sign here on the right hand side? Just click on the plus sign and you will get an option to join the class. Just click on join class and type out the code that your teacher must have given you. It will be a 7-character code. Could be 6 or could be 7-character code. I have pasted the code, copied and pasted the code, and just after you enter the code, click on join button on top. And you are in your class already. At the bottom, you will see the classwork menu. Just click on the classwork and you will get to see all the classwork that your teacher will be posting over here. And in the stream tab, you will be able to see all the updates of your class. So it's that easy to join a class. All the best to everyone joining their first class in Google Classroom. If you like this video, click on like button. If you want to share it with your fellow friends, please do share. Thank you everyone.